Did you know yoga is much more than movement and postures? Yoga has been greatly researched, and studies show that it changes your biochemistry, showing promise as both a preventative and integrative approach to your health. Yoga is the uniting of body and mind and soul through several means: practices of self-control and self-regulation, movement, breathwork, inward awareness of your own soma or your living body, concentration, meditation, and regular movement towards inner peace. The lifestyle of yoga and these practices that it is made up of are scientifically proven to increase brain alpha wave activity, inducing calm, reducing adrenaline and cortisol, the stress hormone that can increase weight and inflammation. And it helps increase serotonin, the chemical that improves our mood, as well as helping to regulate dopamine, the body's reward system. When dopamine is dysregulated, we can experience addictive tendencies. These are just a few of yoga's many scientific benefits. Check out my website to learn how you can start a practice today at www.waterfallyogallc.com.